AI is changing everything. But what if it wasn't about replacing us? Across industries, people are asking the same question. Will I be replaced? But those who see AI as a tool, not a threat, are the ones shaping the future. AI is not here to take over. It's here to help us do what we do best: faster, smarter, better. At Edge and Echo's Story Studio, we tell the stories of those who refuse to be left behind, the ones embracing change, the ones leading the future. Your story matters. Let's tell it together.